Good afternoon. I'm Kurt Braun, Vice President of Sales for Mahr Federal Corporation, Providence, Rhode Island. Today we're at the Medical Design and Manufacturing Show, Anaheim, California, where we're showing some of our orthopedic solutions as well as our general line of metrology equipment. At this station we're showing our air gauging solutions that help medical manufacturers check to ensure that the tapers that fit between the different components for artificial hips, artificial knees, artificial shoulders are all come together, and once they're manufactured they stay together and perform as designed. This station measures the taper angle of the different parts. There's inside and outside tapers that all have to fit together in a locking fashion, and we feed that information so they not only can ensure the quality of the products, but they can record that data for future reference. This station shows off the Mahr electronic gauging station. We have both digital indicators and calipers and micrometers that have the capability of transmitting data to a PC into an Excel spreadsheet, either by hardwired connection or by wireless. We can connect up to 150 transmitters to one receiver, and typical transmission distances up to 150 feet in the shop floor environment. Our height gauge station shows off our capabilities in a one-dimensional measurement. You can do heights up to 40 inches. It has a resolution of 1 micron or less and gives the operator the ability on the shop floor to be able to ensure that the product is meeting the requirements, and eliminates the need in a lot of cases of going to the CMM room and waiting for approval before they continue with production. On the other side is the Linear 100. It's an ideal product for the medical industry. It is capable of measuring down to plus or minus a half micron or 40 millionths of an inch in absolute scales, which means it does not require mastering, and can measure either inside or outside diameters up to 4 inches. Here we are showing our form measurement line. The MMQ200 is one of the newer products. It's able to measure roundness, cylindricity, concentricity, circular flatness and waviness, and also brand new to the machine, just introduced at the beginning of the year, is the ability to add surface finish capability in the same probe configuration. So now once the part is set up for measuring form, it can index using the T7 probe, which is unidirectional, and be able to measure surface finish in the same setup, and that saves production time and results. This is our surface finish line, whether it's a portable skidded system or a more conventional machine with a skidless operation. On the right is the MarSurf TS50. It's a brand new system that allows you in about a 1 millimeter square area to pick up tens of thousands of data points in less than 1 minute and be able to do a three-dimensional topography analysis down to submicron level using white light interferometry. We see on the table there's an artificial hip component, and looking at the surface roughness configuration is a critical part, as well as the taper configuration as well. This station shows a contour and surface combination machine, enabling the customer to be able to measure the critical surfaces on, in this case, an artificial shoulder component or a knee component or a hip component. It allows us to measure the intricate surface texture details using the roughness probe in the back, and then the contour probe allows us to do an analysis on a much higher plane and see how those dimensions fit into the engineered requirements. On the screen you can see the results of the analysis with the radiuses formed. We can do radius and distance measurements, and it allows the customer to ensure that the part is conforming to the measurement requirements for quality purposes. And here at Mahr Federal, we're uniquely qualified with our field-placed sales, service, and application engineers, as well as resource centers in Providence, Rhode Island, Cincinnati, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Monterrey, Mexico for the North American market. We invite you to contact us. Let us take a look at your applications, whether it's a catalog standard product or a modification or a completely customized version. We're here to help you solve your measurement needs. You can reach us through the internet, through Mahr.com, or at the information at Mahr.com website, and you can tell them that Kurt sent you.